What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. If your vehicle has a bad smell and you're trying to get rid of it, we have this Odor X by Turtle Wax. This is a car blaster and some odor spray for your vehicle. I'm going to show you how to use it. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Before we use this car blaster, you want to make sure that you clean the interior of your car. Wash the windows, wash the interior, clean the seats and the carpet with some type of a shampoo and stuff. Once that's all set, then we're going to go in the car. You're going to start the car up. You want to turn the AC on to max and make sure it's on recirculate, and that's good. And we can take this can, we're going to put it in the cup holder right here. You want to follow the directions on the can, but we're going to put it in the cup holder, and then we're going to push this button down and then get out. So once you push the button on the can and get out of the car, you want to have the windows all closed and keep it running for about 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes is done, look in, make sure the can's not spraying anymore. You should be able to go in, shut the vehicle off, take the can out. You're going to throw the can away. It's a one-time use only. Now you can also use this odor spray. This is good for carpets and headliners and stuff. So if you're spraying it on anything that's plastic, you're going to have to wipe it off after. But we'll just spray it on the carpet. We can do the same on the headliner.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.